Deal not about any party, says Sunak, as he visits Northern Ireland. Rishi Sunak has said the Brexit deal agreed with the EU restores balance to Northern Ireland's politics. The Prime Minister announced the new agreement, which replaces the Northern Ireland Protocol and sets new trade rules, on Monday. Speaking on BBC Radio 4's Today programme, Mr. Sunak said the protocol had unsettled the balance at the heart of the Good Friday Agreement. People need and deserve government to be up and running, he said. Could new deal reset strained UK-Ireland ties? Chris Mason, number 10 buoyant, but not there yet. Follow live. Sunak in Belfast. Political parties in Northern Ireland will need the time and the space to consider the detail of the Windsor framework, Mr. Sunak said. But, he added he was confident that Stormont parties will recognize that this a good deal and that will enable them to get back into a power-sharing executive. The Northern Ireland Assembly has been suspended since February 2022 after the Democratic Unionist Party, DUP, walked out of Stormont's power-sharing agreement. The DUP objected to the Northern Ireland Protocol creating an effective trade border across the Irish Sea from Great Britain. Speaking to an audience in Northern Ireland later on Tuesday, Mr. Sunak said the fact that Northern Ireland was able to have open access to the EU and unhindered trade with the UK's home market was an unbelievably special position, unavailable to any other trading nation. And he said if his deal was accepted, Northern Ireland would be in a unique position in the entire world, European continent, in having privileged access not just to the UK home market, which is enormous, fifth biggest in the world, but also the European Union's single market. Nobody else has that.